Does working from home work for you? If you are one of the many U.S. workers forced by the coronavirus pandemic to work from home in the last few years, you probably have a good sense by now. Home-based remote work enjoyed a big boost from the pandemic. Research by the National Council on Compensation Insurance shows that only about 6% of workers worked primarily from home prior to the pandemic. That figure reached above 25% in 2020, and higher in some sectors, before dipping back down to 16% in 2021. Unfortunately, more workers are being called back into the office. If you have become accustomed to clocking in wearing your bedroom slippers and don't want to return, you may find this list of independent careers helpful. They offer freedom, independence, and good pay. Working from home is an option for computer programmers, who earn a median income of $93,000, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Median means that salary is the middle of the pay range, with half of salaries higher and half lower. Browsing job listings for programmers at FlexJobs will show you some of the skills and programming languages currently in demand. Some programmers are self-taught, but a bachelor's or associate degree may be a more reliable path into the field. The pet services industry has been growing by leaps and bounds to meet a growing demand from pet owners. You may be able to earn a share of that spending while working from your home by offering popular services like pet sitting, grooming, and dog walking. Animal care and service workers, including groomers, earn a skimpy median wage of about $29,000 per year, typically, the BLS says. But you may be able to earn more with your own business. Rover, an online network that links pet owners with pet sitters, shows rates for doggy daycare, dog walking, and dog boarding in your area. Quick math shows that, if you charged $30 per day to provide weekday daycare for each of 5 dogs, you'd bring in $750 per week, or about $39,000 a year. If you're looking to provide this kind of service, you can go into it on your own or sign up through a site like Rover. Expertise in any of a number of areas can prepare you for working from home as a consultant. You'll need a strong background in a field that's in demand, such as business, communications, financial services, insurance, internet technology, law, medicine. You'll also benefit from having self-confidence and communication skills, since your work will involve interaction with other professionals in your client companies. Pay can be great, depending on your field of expertise. These digital pioneers have been working online from home since the dawn of the internet. They make better than decent money. Median pay for a web developer was about $78,000 in 2021, according to the BLS. In addition, this field is projected to grow faster than average. You'll probably need an associate's degree, although some enterprising and savvy net entrepreneurs are self-taught. If you love doing research and feel comfortable writing on deadline, you may find that grant writing is a perfect job. In addition to researching subject areas, grant writers craft proposals for organizations or individuals who are applying for funding. The BLS does not collect data on this profession. However, Jobs website Indeed says grant writers earn an average base salary of about $58,000. Thinking of starting your own online business? When it comes to earnings, the sky's the limit. But big dreams are only a small part of success. Getting started requires the same kind of research and preparation as the launch of any business. You'll find free advice and guidance from the Volunteer Business Mentor Association and the U.S. Small Business Administration. If you're a whiz-bang typist, there's work to be done in the field of transcribing, which involves listening to audio and typing up the material you hear. The median pay for medical transcriptionists, for example, was about $35,000 per year in 2022, the BLS reports. Courts and attorneys also employ transcriptionists, although court reporting requires specialized training. The median pay, about $60,000 a year, reflects the extra training. Writing and editing content, online articles and commercial and educational materials, can be lucrative for a select group of professionals. The median annual wage for writers and authors, many of whom are freelancers, was about $70,000 in 2021, says the BLS, with the most successful freelancers able to make six figures and beyond. Technical writing is a type of writing that requires specialized skills. Many technical writers are freelancers, and they typically earn more than most freelance writers. The median annual pay is $78,000, according to the BLS. Many technical writers specialize in engineering, science, or technology. They write materials such as white papers, documentation, and user guides. You're likely to need training to find work, even if you are an experienced writer. Community colleges, universities, and other accredited schools offer technical writing degree or certificate courses. Also, the Society for Technical Communication offers online certificate courses. Field of real estate sales offers motivated agents the chance to make a six-figure income in a hot market. But that's a long-term prospect. A more realistic goal for newbies may be the median annual income, about $49,000. If you like helping people and have a way with computers, internet technology support could be a satisfying career for you. The work commanded a median income of $58,000 a year in 2021, according to the BLS. Computer support workers, as they're sometimes called, may work independently or for a company like Apple or Dell. From your home, you offer phone support to help computer users solve their technical problems. If you're an expert at something, it's possible these days to take your talents and skills to the worldwide stage. Sign up for a YouTube account and get started creating videos that feature you showing your expertise and teaching others how you do it. YouTubers, as these workers are known, offer instructional videos on cake decorating, aerobics, yoga, martial arts, home repairs, dog training, home decorating, hairstyling, and much more. Your earnings are based on your ability to attract viewers and advertising revenue. Influencer Marketing Hub breaks down the math. On average, a YouTuber earns around $0.018 for each view, which amounts to $18 for every 1,000 views. There's a lot of hype about the money to be made by blogging. Here's the reality: whether your topic is food, video games, or bird watching, the ability to write will get you only part of the way to success. You'll also need to understand and embrace the business side of your blog. Blogging is hard work and, like most writing-related fields, is super saturated. One article by ProBlogger suggests that travel blogs alone number more than 1.2 million, says an article on The Street. Your first goal: build an audience. Once you have that, you have what you need for sponsorships and other revenue-generating relationships. That's the basis for a blogger's success.